Well, it looks like PayPal is barely holding on to dear life. It's currently up 0.73%. On the other hand, we have Block, ticker is SQ. It's currently down over 82%. It did hit a low of 39.42 this morning. And also, of course, it always pumps up right when the market opens to get people in, and then it sells off. And this trend has been going on for many months now. So both PayPal and Square are reporting earnings this week, and honestly, I don't think it's going to help the stock price, and it's definitely not going to help it go up, because let's take a look at SoFi. SoFi reported earnings today. They beat their numbers, they raised guidance, and guess what? The stock is red. It's at 680, and look what happened. It pumped up all the way to 788, and now it's around 680 to get to a low of 674. Let's go ahead and take a look here. It says SoFi shares are trading higher after the company reported better than expected quarterly financial results and raised 2023 guidance. So it doesn't even matter anymore if they raised it. But I'm pretty sure if they didn't raise guidance and if it was a soft guidance, this would definitely sell off more than it is now. So again, with PayPal, don't get your hopes up and definitely hedge, because in the last few earnings, what happened? It sold off. Look at the last one went to a high of 75, sold off, and then it just kept selling off after that. And it doesn't matter anymore how oversold a stock is, because it can become more oversold. We have seen this time and time again. You can see that RSI is indicating it is oversold, but it doesn't matter. Look at this. This stock was once a $310 stock. And the reason why I say that, because a stock is oversold doesn't mean it's going to bounce. Look at Enphase. The stock reported earnings last week, and it is extremely oversold. So it sold off, and then it sold off again when they had earnings. So again, be very cautious. I'm down a lot of money on PayPal, Square, Chinese stocks, and I do regret not getting into the US tech stocks like Meta, Google, Tesla, Nvidia. Even though they're selling off, they are still up for the year. Whereas PayPal, Square, Chinese stocks, they're down for the year. We go back to a max weekly chart. What an ugly chart. We haven't seen these levels since 2017, and the low is 30. I'm hoping it doesn't get there, but who knows? Especially in the stock market, the sentiment is very bearish right now, especially with these fintech stocks. And you can see the news from Friday says it's more than just a worldwide hangover for payment stocks. Here's what's going on. It started Wednesday when the French payments company Worldline slashed its full-year financial guidance, warning of an economic slowdown in Europe. And also, the managing director told Barron's that I believe today's decline is related to a few things: the continued Worldline hangover, fear of more consumer slowing, and competitive threats from Apple as it gets bigger in the buy now, pay later space. All three are hurting the payment space near term. And wow, I just can't believe it. And also, SQ, Block, Square, you can see same thing, similar charts, but it's worse than PayPal. And the lowest is $8. Wow, I can't believe these are back to pandemic levels. You see, look at the options chain. So the IV is over 150%. They're predicting a plus or minus 5 points. But last time it had earnings, it sold off more than 5 points. A lot of people are buying the 3850 strike puts, almost 3,000 volume traded. Let's see here. Let's go to a daily chart. It sold off from 80. Wow, 80 to now below 40 again. 40 points in less than 3 months. That's crazy. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on PayPal Square. Are you buying more of these? Are you hedging? And thanks for watching.